world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
Hello, good morning everybody. What's up, baby girls? It's your girl Pinky and Sprinkles. Sprinkles just woke up and we're gonna be doing her hair. Don't worry about mine because I'm gonna get her ready first and then I'll get myself ready. Right, Sprinkles? Sprinkles a little bit tired, but I'm telling her she wanted to make a video today. And it's been a minute since we haven't done a video, so we're gonna be doing her hairstyle. Let's get her ready. So it was gonna be getting ready with Juju, getting ready with Juju, getting ready with Juju, getting ready with Juju. Make sure you guys go to Rumble and subscribe to Rumble, where I'll be doing talking or playing music in the background, or whether I'm watching a movie. And here on YouTube, I can't even put any music that I like. I can only put music that YouTube allows me to get. That's the difference. And it's more visual. On YouTube it's visual, and on Rumble it's more talking, and sometimes I don't talk. Sometimes I just play music. But yeah, so let's get started. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's get Sprinkles ready. Come on, sit down. We're gonna be doing this cute hairstyle. We're gonna put some Disney music for her. We're gonna brush her hair, and she doesn't like getting her hair brushed because her hair gets tingled. See, look, it's all tangled up. It's gonna hurt her when I brush her hair. She's gonna start crying, and hopefully not. So let's get this rubber bands off her hair. And we're gonna put some music, Disney music on for her. Let's put some Disney music on. Alright, we're back. Sprinkles, look over here, baby, in the camera. Alright, put your head down. Alright, there we go. Bam! In her hair. Alright, let's get you a little, look at her outfit. Let's go. Bam! And she got these cute shoes to go with it. Her nanas. Right? These are nanas? No?
For me.
Okay, on the back. Wee! Look at her long hair. Woo! Good job, Sprinkle. You like it? Okay.
These gold letters.
Alright, tell baby girls your hair. You like it. Tell them to do it on their stuff, or do it on their kids.
And I got my mermaid.
She got her mermaid.
Yeah, for my mirror for Christmas.
Sprinkle's birthday is coming up.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be like Sally.
She's gonna be Sally for Halloween, for her birthday party, huh, Sprinkles?
And Nana's gonna be like Jack, like for night for Halloween, and she's home.
Yeah?
Yeah, she's home on my mommy's home.
Mommy's home?
Cause she's not in my mommy's home, cause she's really she's busy, cause she really works, and she don't work.
Your mom works?
Yeah. So I'm taking the mermaid changing. Look. See? Look at the camera.
Alright, so we're finally done with this video, getting the Sprinkles ready. So we'll see you guys on the next video. Bye! Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on my Rambo channel. See you guys next time. Peace out.